Today's 1 minute of yoga is another neck stretch. Take your gaze about a 45-degree angle and lower your chin towards your chest, looking down towards your outer left thigh. Breathe here. Maybe you bring the left arm overhead and put it on the diagonal back of your head and breathe. Arm lowers, gaze lifts. Turn back straight ahead and then turn your gaze at about a 45-degree angle to the right. Chin lowers towards chest, looking towards the outer right thigh. Breathing here. Option to bring the right hand up and over and rest if you're looking for a little bit more of a stretch. Lower the arm if it was overhead. Lift the gaze and bring it back to center. You're done.